I just wanted to share, I uploaded a video 3 days ago, and I've been trying to be very consistent with my videos. I have a tech review channel, which I'm fighting to get to 1,000 subscribers. It's at somewhere just between 700 now. This video that I put, I did some changes. I like the person told before me, I changed some camera angles also. And one of my subscribers had commented, please add text in your videos, make it a little more interactive. And I also try to be a little more energetic in my talking. Very small changes. And usually my videos touch 1,000 views. It takes minimum 1 to 2 weeks. This has already is close to 900 views in the last 3 days now. So I'm really happy. And, like Nalini ji said, it's all about patience and trying and testing what works. It's, and trying to just think a little bit out of the box, and small subtle changes make really a big impact. So I was really motivated by that, and I said I should share it with you.
Thank you for sharing that, Sunny. Again, wishing you lots of success. Again, what you said is very important. Again, for all of you, invest more time in editing your first 30 seconds of the video. First 30 seconds. Now try these two variants, okay? Now, when I say about two variants, one is like where you're coming in front of camera. If you are somebody who's where you are sharing knowledgeable information while coming in front of camera. That is one format where you are coming in front of camera. At the same time, give the text. Okay,
Yes.
that's one thing, because there are two things that are happening. One, they are listening, at the same time they are reading.
Yeah.
The retention is higher.
Yes.
Second thing is, try in some videos where you don't come in front of camera for the first 30 seconds. Bring the animations in front of the camera.
Okay.
Or bring all this free images or video clips where you feel it is a lot more engaging. Since you brought this, let me just quickly give you a small idea so that you can understand. The reason why I'm saying that is because you got to experiment what really works for you. Right? So again, the moment you bring in a bit of animation in the beginning where we are not in front of camera, maybe by 30 seconds, they've already thought that, okay, let me just learn more, right? Or sometimes it would have happened like, okay, they would have got bored by seeing our face and say, okay, this man has again come over here. Okay, let me skip the video, right? That is not going to happen, right? There are a lot of things to consider because this simple trick that I told to one of our creators now has been able to generate about 50,000 to lakh rupees per month. Stop coming in front of camera in the beginning, and the person comes in front of camera only after 30 seconds. Some things works.